Hello guys, hope you are well. Today I will show you how to remove HTTP Canary certificate from your smartphone. So let's start. Assume you have installed HTTP Canary application for any reason. After completing your task, you want to uninstall it. First, uninstall it as it doesn't require now. So it's gone. What the heck? There is a notification network may be monitored. Let's tap on it. It says CS certificates. A certificate authority is installed on this device. Your secure network traffic may be monitored or modified. So we need to remove those unnecessary CS certificates. First, go to settings, scroll down, you see password and security. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on privacy. Scroll down again, encryption and credentials, you have to tap on it. You see there are two types of credentials out there: trusted credentials and user credentials. Tap on user credentials. You see that certificate is HTTP Canary CS certificate installed for VPN and apps. Tap on it, then you will find a remove button. Tap on remove and the certificate is gone from your smartphone. Now let's tap on trusted credentials. You see all of the system certificates are loaded here. You should not remove any of these certificates. Now turn into user certificates. Down there you see HTTP Canary root CA. Tap on it. You get the details of that certificate here. We have to remove this. Tap on remove. Permanently remove the user CS certificate, of course. So tap on OK. And rest of the certificates are gone too. Get out of that tab and let's check. There is no notification of CS certificates having in your smartphone. You have got rid of that. So thanks for watching and thank you.